What's going on, everybody? It's like Dutchman here, and today, well, we picked up a trailer with some more goodies. Here's the old owner, Victor. He sold me this beauty, and it's a sedan. He's gonna miss it, but my lovely girlfriend wanted a sedan, so I was like, yeah, let's look for one. And this one, just a buddy of mine tagged me in this post. It was like, hey, you have a Fiat for sale or like for trade? So I was like, yeah, I might be interested, but then the deal changed and he was like, no, I just want to get rid of the car, come pick it up. So here it is in all its Polish glory. So let's try and keep this thing, basically give honor to the Polish drift heritage. We will. You will see a lot of this car back on the channel, man, so thank you for selling it to me. I know it hurts,
Thank you.
but let's just get in the car and get driving. It woke up. So it is the next day and we did a little startup. I forgot to film, too excited. It started off running on 3 cylinders. It's running on 4. And it's somewhat, it kind of runs smooth, but apparently it has a blown head gasket. We can see some condensation from the exhaust, but I don't know if that's just from the cold, but it keeps running warm apparently. So we're gonna check what that is. But yeah, now that it's running on all 4s, it doesn't sound too bad. It's oh yeah, look, there we go. There we go with the smoke. It's getting worse. Nice. Well, let's pull it in and take a seat out and just go through the car, clean it up a little bit, and see what the plan is from there. So we pulled it inside, start taking the seats out, because there's nothing worse than laying in someone else's grime, and just start cleaning it to make the car a little bit more fresh, more your own, and a nicer place to be in while you work at it or around it. So yeah, she's taking out the seats. Took out the vacuum cleaner, just give this a nice run through. What just a little cleaning of the interior can do to a car. Looks so much better. Now the glove box, the skin has fallen off, but I believe I have a spare one somewhere there. You see it? Under the orange, that angle, that's... I know I have a lot of junk, but I know what everything is, don't worry. So clean that out, and we're gonna clean the seats. We have a interior, like a carpet cleaner, that with the water and sprays and then sucks all the dirt out, but they don't seem too bad. What we're gonna see. The trunk needs some love. Also, have I told you guys this car is run on LPG? There's a whole tank in the back, which is, well, not necessarily something that I wanted, but since this is gonna be the daily of the missus, I think it's not a bad thing that it's like a 1.6 on LPG, this thing's gonna be cheap to run. So yeah, keep cleaning. When the inside is done, we're gonna work our way towards the outside. And this is the next day, but because it's such nice weather, we took the Civic out and BMW, because that thing had to be cleaned. Look how good it looks on camera. Because it was all dirty and nasty from the last drift event. So we gave it a proper wash. Everything is cleaned. But this video is about the new E36. And it has some shine, but also it's very dirty if you look at the bottom. So let's clean it up, because we did the inside, so now we're gonna do the outside as well. So it's a fresh project to start on. I don't know if I told you guys yet, but it has a blown head gasket, so we need to replace that. We don't know if we're gonna replace the head gasket or the engine. They're both basically the same price. Yeah, just get it cleaned for now, and then maybe discuss plans for what we have in mind for the future. So now back in its place with a little bit more shine. Still a little bit wet, but it doesn't really matter. At least it's a little bit better as it was. But for the next video, since the inside and outside is clean, we're gonna do a little list of what we need to do, what we want to do, and maybe start off with a few mods already. But that will be in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace!